Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 40. Look at that. This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and today I have received a new update from Apple Blue. Yes, I have received a new update right now for this amazing iOS 16. Let's check. Let's go settings together. Go on general. You can see software update. Now let's check. Let's check. And this is what I'm talking about. This is a brand new update, iOS 16.0.3. Can you see this? You can see more information about this update. You can see incoming call and application notifications maybe delayed or not delivered on iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. You see low microphone volume can occur during play and more. This is the update that you need to fix all of this problem that you can see in front of you. Mail crash unlocked after receiving a malformed email. Okay, cool. What you need to know to do now is to download this. Let me enter my passcode and do it. Okay, update requested. This is what I'm talking about. And now you can see the process in front of you. 3 minutes remaining. You need to wait 3 minutes for the downloading of this update. This is depending on your network connection. Okay, your connection speed. Cool. Now I have for 3 minutes here. Don't forget to click and wait for that with me. Get ready. I can see bro preparing update. Seriously? Okay. Wait again. Okay. Now you are ready to install your brand new update. What can you do? Make sure that you have a good battery percentage. You can see 99%. This is good. And click on install now. Get ready. Your phone will reboot anytime. Don't worry. It's normal. This is what I'm talking about. Okay. Now the update will start. One. And okay. And it start right now. Get ready, my friend. Stay ready. Okay. It can take some. It can take a few minutes. Don't forget to connect your charger. If you have something like 49% of battery. Okay, cool. stay ready. Bro, I think that it's done. Let's check. Okay, we see what I'm talking about. Software update. Your iPhone has been updated to what? iOS 16.0.3. Okay, let me enter my passcode and on what? Welcome. Okay. 11 now. This is cool. Now my phone is updated. I have 98% of battery now. What about the memory? Either 64. There's some information about this. You can see it's real. Okay. Memory. Look at available RAM 12 1270. Available storage 34. Seriously? I need more RAM, I need more storage, bro. What do you think? Great. And this is all of my applications, everything. It's cool. What do you think? Let's check software update. Let's see. As you can see, this is the last update right now. Seriously? Okay. What about the camera? What are you doing? Let's see. Camera application. I don't know why Apple cannot put play and pause when you're recording videos. I don't know. In 2022, is it real? Damn. This is why I have this camera application. It's better. It's so nice. Yeah, when you're recording videos, you can now click on pause. This is and resume. Can you see this, bro? This is why I bought this camera. Yeah, I bought this. This is not for free. Pro Cam 8 is not free. Not for free. When you go on the App Store, you have more applications. Look at that. When you come here, search on the Pro Cam. Okay, Pro Cam 8 is here. By the way, where are you? Okay, Pro Cam 8, and you can see it's here. You can do so much things more. Can you see this? And this is the last update right now. You see ads and iOS 16 lock screen widget. This update brings 8K time lapse to iPhone 14 Pro. Can you see this? New triple shot mode unsupported devices. How is possible? How to use this, bro? I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. I can see. This is nothing. Nothing. Okay. Say to me what you think about this, bro. Because I don't know. I don't know. But this is cool. By the way, still 98% is connected. It's good. And this is my case. What now? Yes. This is my case. Okay. Good. You can see this. It's rainbow. Let's see again. It's rain. Oh, raining. Ah, seriously. And cool. This is nice, my friend. Very, very nice. Old, cool, nice. Okay, thanks for watching. God bless you. Happy New Day. Happy New Year. Thanks for watching.